black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. One for my master and one for my dame. One for the little boy who lives down the lane. Baa, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. Sheep, have you any spots? Yes sir, I have lots. One on my belly and one on my toe. One right on the tip of my nose. Baa, black sheep, have you any spots? Yes sir, I have lots. Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. One for your jumper and one for your rug. One for your blanket to keep you warm and snug. Baa, rainbow sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full.
The doors on the bus, they open and close.
stout. Here is my handle, here is my spout. When the kettle boils, hear me shout. Tip me over and pour me out. I'm a little teacup, nice and round. Fill me up and drink me down. Put a little honey in your tea. Then when you are ready, take a sip from me. I'm a little cookie, nice and brown. Chew me up and swallow me down. I'm a little crummy, that's just me. And I taste really good with your cup of tea. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle, here is my spout. When I get all steamed up, hear me shout. Tip me over and pour me out. Tip me over and pour me out. Incy wincy spider climbing up the trees. Down came the snow and made poor Incy freeze. Out came the sunshine and melted all the snow. So Incy wincy spider had another go. Incy wincy spider climbed up without a stop. She spun a silky web right at the very top. She wove and spun, and when her web was done, Incy wincy spider rested in the sun. Incy wincy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. So Incy wincy spider climbed up the spout again. Jumping on the bed, one fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Four little monkeys jumping on the bed, one fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Three little monkeys jumping on the bed, one fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Two little monkeys jumping on the bed, one fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. One little monkey jumping on the bed, he fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. No little little monkeys jumping on the bed, 'cause they're all jumping on the sofa instead. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock struck one, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock, the bird looked at the clock struck two, away she flew. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock, the dog barked at the clock struck three, fiddly-dee. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock, the bear slept by the clock struck four, he ran out the door. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock, the bee buzzed round the clock struck five, she went to her hive. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock, the hen pecked at the clock struck six, oh fiddlesticks. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock, the cat ran round the clock struck seven, she wanted to get 'em. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock, the horse jumped over the clock struck eight, he ate some cake. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock, the cow danced on the clock struck nine, she felt so fine. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock, the pig oinked at the clock struck ten, she did it